thunderstorm warning for western Clark County, north central Greene County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairborn, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fairborn, New Carlisle, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Enon, Northampton, Donaldsville, Green Meadows, Medway, Springfield Municipal Airport, Houston, Holiday Valley, Snyderville, Crystal Lakes, and Park Lane. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 42 and 52.